Okay, this is going to be a quick video of how to regrit your paper wheel for sharpening. So a lot of guys get this in there and they think it's to lubricate this coarse part before they sharpen, but that's not what it's for. It's actually to regrit your wheel. So what you do is you go ahead and you rub it on with it off, like this. Just like this, by hand. Okay, and once you do that, you take the grit that comes with the wheel set. What I do is I just put a little bit in my hand. Like so. Then what I do is I just run the wheel over my hand like this. Just like that. And that's how it's done. As you can see, it's already shining. I don't know if you can see it. I'm not a professional video vlogger or whatever they call it, so I'm just kind of giving you this tutorial to get you guys, as a lot of guys on YouTube have gotten this grit powder and haven't shown how it's actually put on, but this is how it's done right here. I don't know if you can see that. Let me get you a little closer. It's a little, not great lighting, but sparkling now. And that's how it's done. Thank you.